drop into the
Young Petey is at it again. Who digs a hole with $500 sneakers on? These young bucks, not me. Hey guys, it's me, Nichols here, your Boston-based real estate entrepreneur. Today I want to let you know, guys, I just put in a French drain at one of my flips at the cookie cutter for less than $500 in materials that I got from Home Depot. As you can see from the receipt, guys, this didn't cost me much. And I had a quote on this for $8,000. I mean, I said, come on, man, I've been out here a long time and I haven't done a lot of how-to videos in the practical sense of actually how to physically do the work. But this is the first in a series of videos I'll be sharing from time to time about how we do certain things at properties. And it's really, guys, to empower you to make money on your terms. And that's money saved, money in your pocket as a flipper. And that's really what it's all about, guys. And then lastly, I recently launched a mentorship program that you can see in the link below where I can mentor you as a live coach. Plus, you'll be part of my Facebook group, so feel free to like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for more, and I hope you enjoy.
What's up, guys? Today we are installing a dry well system at one of the properties that we own. This is called the Cookie Cutter House. Not so cookie cutter anymore because we customize it, but let's check out what we're doing out here. The self-containing styro pipe system. Before, you have to get fabric, you have to get gravel and the perforated PVC. This comes pre-wrapped in a fabric as well as some styrofoam to replace the gravel you typically need.
So I've included links below where you can buy all the materials I purchased to install my French drain system for the best pricing at Home Depot, guys. Don't go to other sources. If you see an eBay, $429, crazy. Also make sure you measure the length for what you need. There are plenty of videos on how to cut it. Here's the dry well system as well as the surface drain, which will let water in and let water out if it overflows. And then lastly, you're gonna need one extra length to backfill your dry well and wrap that around the dry well, guys, as you can see in the photo there.
To put it into this trench. And here's the trench. So we dug the trench about 14 inches deep and 8 inches wide. This house, as you can see, has a lot of sitting water, so we're gonna regrade the back of the house so that the water is directed into this trench. And then this is where our dry well is gonna be, guys. And that's the dry well over there. We're gonna drop into the
Young Petey is at it again. His sneakers cost more than all the materials for the job combined. Who digs a hole with $500 sneakers on? These young bucks, not me.
hole here, catch this water, and continue to keep this house dry. Anything else you guys want to add?
That's it, man.
That's it in a nutshell, guys. It makes it a lot easier when you got systems like that, right, fellas? We used to do it old school, but now we're doing it new school.
That's it, modernized days.
Because 10 years ago when I first started doing this, guys, these types of systems did not exist. I got quoted $8,000 to do this, guys. The materials, just so you guys know, from Home Depot, it ran me about $500. You know, the labor cost another $1,000. So for $1,500 versus $8,000, guys, I'm getting this done. And it's pretty much a do-it-yourself job. Me and my guys have been here about 4 hours now. We got another 2 hours or so left. Definitely wanted to share this to help you grow your business and understand that you don't always need to sub everything out. There's certain things you can do, especially if you're just beginning. You need to save money, and it's good to learn the trades as well, guys. So hope you enjoyed this. Feel free to like, subscribe, and share as I continue to share. Appreciate your support to the channel, and stay tuned for more.